Ever wonder why wildfires spread so fast? The secret lies in the power of the wind. Let's break it down. Winds don't just blow, they fuel the flames. High winds supply oxygen, making fires burn hotter and faster, but that's not all. They also carry embers over long distances, starting new fires called spot fires. Imagine trying to control a fire and suddenly it changes direction. That's the power of the wind at work. Wind speeds and patterns play a crucial role. A calm day can turn into chaos with just a gust. Firefighters need to understand wind behavior to fight these blazes effectively. So next time you see a wildfire, remember, it's not just the flames that are dangerous, it's the wind that drives them. Stay safe out there and always respect the power of nature.